uh, I need to change the portion and then I will approve it, which will not take that much time. 1 minute it will take. It's that simple. Since it was incorrect, that's why we ended up giving that much time to that particular question.
Okay.
Yes, first question is doing pages from our book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Here question says that in this figure, line AB and CD intersect each other at a point O, and also given that AOC plus BOE is 70 degree and BOD is 40 degree. Then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So basically we have to find BOE and COE. If we know what is COE, what is the angle COE, reflex of that particular angle, we know how to find. Okay, so let's focus on finding. Here it's given that AOC plus BOE. AOC, this angle plus BOE, this angle, this two added together is 70 degree. Okay, BOD, this much is 40 degree. Okay, so find BOE. We have to find BOE at first.
Ma'am, BOE is 30.
This is great. This one. Yes. Anyone how to do so?
AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. Then plus 70 plus AOC plus BOE is equal to angle BOD. Then we can put the values and then we can substitute it.
Which value, Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Which value we shall put over here?
Ma'am, in AOC, like AOC, instead of AOC, we can put 70 plus BOE. Then the right side we can put 40. Left, right
Why
side.
we will do so? Why we will do so?
Ma'am, because we need angle BOE.
But tell me the reason. Whatever you are saying, it seems correct. But I want the proper reason, Tejas. Yes, anyone else? Can you tell me? What can be the proper reason? ध्यान से देखो ध्यान से देखो this angle BOD and AOC, these two are vertically opposite angles. Check it. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. We can even do one thing. Ma'am?
Yes, tell me.
We can even do one thing like angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 because of linear pair axiom.
Yeah. And from there we will get COE. But at first let's find BOE pages, which you said correctly. That this green angle, everyone, are you getting it? This line AB and line CD intersect each other. So of course this angle and this angle are vertically opposite. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Safia, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is nothing but 40 degree. BOE we are supposed to find. We will be able to find BOE. That is 70 degree minus 40 degree. That means 30 degree. Okay, we also have to find COE. Now the Tejas said that we can use this approach. That is angle AOC plus angles plus angle BOE. All added together is 180 degree. We BOE. Okay. We know AOC or AOC and BOE together we know. No need to know it separately. 70 we know already. This one and this one added together is 70. So 70 degree plus BOE is 180 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
COE is 180 minus 70. That is
One,
that is
110.
110. But we don't have to find COE. We have to find reflex COE.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be reflex of the
180, 360.
yes reflex of angle COE was 360 degree. And we are done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do quickly the next few questions.
Ma'am, that is divide, right? Divide symbol. This one.
Fraction no. Reflex we do
Ma'am.
subtraction too.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Here the question says that XY, this one. Okay, XY and MN intersect at O. Whenever this sentence will be there in the question note, that XY and MN is intersecting, AB and CD is intersecting, be careful. You can have vertically opposite angle. You can have, okay?
Yes,
Maybe
ma'am.
that will be helpful for doing the proof. But always it will not be helpful. Sometime it will help, okay? If angle P or Y is 90 degree and A is to B is 2 is to 3
2:3. Find C.
points. Okay, we have to find this angle C. A is to B is 2 is to 3. Angle C we are supposed to find. Now how we will do so? Anyone, how can we do so? It's written over the angle intersect
Oh.
each other.
At O.
Yes, what can be done? See, angle POY is given as 90 degree. A is to B is given as 2 is to 3. A and B value we can find. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We can find. Okay. A we can assume as a 2x or 2k. B we can assume as a 3k. Why we are taking k along with A and B? This I always explain in my class that if it is given that the ratio between Shreya's age to Sneha's age, if it is suppose actual age of Shreya is 11 and actual age of Sneha is 22 years. Okay, this is the actual ratio between these two ages. But what you did the like you just reduce it to lowest form and you are saying it is 1:2. So ratio between Shreya's age to Sneha's age. Now you are saying someone asked someone asked what is the ratio between Shreya's age to Sneha's age? We said it is 1:2. Then the person will not consider that Shreya is 1 year old and Sneha is 2 year old. It is completely incorrect. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why whenever you are provided a ratio, don't do this blunder mistake to assume that the numerator is if a is to b is given as 2 is to 3. We cannot say numerator a is 2 and b is 3. We cannot say maybe this is the reduced form of the fraction. Maybe.
Hmm.
Okay, so we will
Okay.
separate them and we will multiply same variable with both of them. That if in case it is a reduced form of the fraction, then we are multiplying same variable with both of them. Which number to multiply we don't know. So that's why we are multiplying same variable with both of them. Now in this case, if you will give this data to any person, what the person will do? The person will say that Shreya's age, let's say, is 1K or just K. Then Sneha's age he will assume
Hmm.
as 2K. Okay, this way the person is not doing any mistake. You think about it. K value over here is 11. So here K value is 11. Here 2 into 11. In case if you don't know what exactly is the K value, you must write same variable. We must multiply with both of them. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever you are provided a fraction or ratio, we don't know whether that is reduced form of fraction or the original form of the fraction. Okay, sometimes reduction will not be possible when the fraction is like this. Reducing and all will not be possible. Okay, but whenever we are having a data in our hand, we don't know whether that is reduced form or the original form. So we will always multiply the same variable with both of them, keeping in mind that whatever variable we are multiplying, that variable's value can be anything. If the original form of the fraction was something like this where the reduction is not possible and still you have taken 7x 5x, here x is 1. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
we are multiplying same variable with both of them. Now here POY, this angle is 90 degree, so this POX will also be 90 degree. Can we say POX
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
90 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2k plus 3k a plus b will be 90 degree. So here we need to write why it will be 90 degree, because angle POX plus angle POY,
It's vertically opposite.
180 degree linear pair.
Yes, ma'am.
This one POX and POY is 180 degree linear pair, and from here we are getting POY is given as 90 degrees, so POX also will be 90. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now from here we are writing a plus b is 90 degree. A is 2k, b is 3k, is 90. 2 plus 3, 5k.
5k is 90.
And k value will be value will be
Ma'am,
yes, rest of the student. Are you solving
ma'am,
it?
18.
Yes, 18. Okay, therefore A will be therefore A will be 2k, that means 26.
Yes, ma'am.
B will be 3k, that means 54. Yes, Sarah, Umasha. Please turn on your camera, everyone. At first, please turn on your
Ma'am,
camera.
54.
Yes. Yes. Everyone, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can we?
Yes. What Tejas?
Nothing.
Now we are supposed to find C only, but we have found A and B. We have found A and B, and it says that x, y, and intersect each other at O. Let's check whether it is going to help. It may help, it may not help. So x, y, and L, N. Doing this one, okay? So that we can just see x, y, and L. X, y, and L intersect each other at a point O. Now angle C and which angle will be same? C and which angle will be same? This angle on 90 degree, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Go.
Can we say that angle C will be equals to?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yeah. Or we can also say B and C are making linear pair. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
B and C are making linear pair. Are you getting it, everyone? Since MON is a straight line, angle B plus angle C is 180 degree linear pair. Can we say this complete? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
From here you can find C. Linear pair, okay? Linear pair, both are added together making a straight line. From here you can find C because B we already know. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Let's do this one. Here it is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PR. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PR. Let's see what is given over here and what we are supposed to prove. PQR, this angle, RQ, this two angles are already equal, and we have to show that that this is sky angle and that is sky angle will be equal. That's what we have to show. Now tell me, if pink color angle which I have marked on the figure, if that is same, how to show that this sky colored angle will also be same? How to show that? Anyone from here? अभी हमें दो ही फॉर्मूला, vertically opposite angle, linear. Vertically opposite angle and linear. Only we know this two concepts for now, and we are supposed to use only these two concepts over here. Now tell me which one.
Vertically opposite.
They just vertically opposite we will be using only when two lines are intersecting each other. Here, can you see? Is it intersecting?
No.
Intersecting. If it will intersect like this in a cross like way, then only we will be getting vertically opposite. But this is here we are not getting vertically opposite. Now think about it and let me know. If this pink color angle, if this, can we say this pink and this sky both are making linear pair? Can we?
Yes, ma'am, we can see now.
We can say that angle PQR plus angle PQS are making linear pair with each other. Both are making linear pair with each other. Okay? If you are saying this is X, let's write PQR at the place of PQR. If you will be writing X, PQS will be. Who will say PQS will be 180?
180 minus
Minus X?
yes,
Yes.
ma'am, X.
Yes. 180 minus X. Okay, similarly, we will be doing the same thing over there. That angle PRQ plus angle PRT added together is making 180 degree. Okay, if this is also X, why X? Because it was given that these two are same. So we have to, whatever we have taken over here, that same thing will be there. Okay, so this is X. PRT. What will be PRT? Please let me know. PRT will be 180 minus 180 minus. Yes. Will it be 180 minus X?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can we say that this angle and this angle are exactly same? PQS and PRT are exactly same. To prove whatever we wanted to prove, are we done with the proof? Yes or no?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it crystal clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it?
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
it was given that this angle same. We could have taken this as a x, this automatically x will be. This and this we wanted to prove same. This and this. So we are saying this will be 180 minus x due to this, and this will also be 180 minus x, and hence already both are equal. Linear pair we have used. Therefore, from 1 and 2, PQS is equals to Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the
Yes.
next one.
Ma'am, here we can use linear pair axiom, right?
Previous one or this one, Tejas?
This one, ma'am.
This one, Tejas, we can use complete angle.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that means all
Okay,
added
ma'am.
together is 360.
Okay, ma'am.
We can say that x. Let me write the given information. It is given that if x plus y is equals to
Is equal
w
to
plus z, then
proof that
prove that
AOB is a line.
online. We have to show that AOB is a AOB is a line we have to show. Even if it looks like a line, we are not sure it's a line. We have to prove that it's a line. Okay? How we will show that? See, AOB, we want to show this as a line. So what we will do, if anyway we will say that this W plus Z is 180 degree. If
Ma'am,
W
we
plus
can
Z is 180 degree, then we can say it's a line. Then only it will be 180 degree. हमें ये प्रूफ करना होगा कि W plus Z 180 degree है. Okay, we will not write initially. We need to prove that either x plus y is 180 or W plus Z is 180.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
have to show that. We have to show that x plus y is 180 or maybe W plus Z is 180. If any one of it we will be able to show, then we can say AOB is a straight line. Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
getting it?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it? And this much information we are having in hand. This much information already we are having in hand. With the help of this only we have to show that. So what we will do here, we will say that okay, x plus y we want to show as a 180 degree, or maybe w plus z we want to show as a 180 degree. So we will say that x, y, z, w all added together is 360 degree. Can we take?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we complete angle? We can take, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here it is given over here x plus y and w plus z both are equal. So at the place of x plus y you can write w plus z, or maybe at the place of w plus z you can write x plus y. To any one. Okay. So we are going to replace x plus y with w plus z. Okay. This also w plus z equals to 360 degree. Z z to z 360. Take common w plus z is 360. Then w plus z will be, if you just transfer to other side, w plus z will be 360 by. So
Ma'am, 180.
this is what we wanted to prove, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence AOB must be a straight line. If w plus z is 180 degree, that means AOB is a line. That's why this two angle added together is making a linear pair. Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tejas, you wanted to say anything.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, done.
Next,
Ma'am, after this chapter, which chapter are you gonna discuss?
equation into variables.
Yes, ma'am.
Linear equation in two variables stages.
Uh, yeah, ma'am.
I think
Ma'am, I think
that chapter will start. So, okay, this is a revision class. We will be continuing pages. Extra questions we will be solving. Along with that, we will discuss the basics also. So it's
ma'am, for
okay if
which
it is
chapter?
linear equation in two variables.
Ma'am,
After this,
I think you have discussed linear equation two variables.
yes, with you I have discussed. It will help you, Tejas. I will take
Okay, no
one
problem.
class for discussing the basic, and then we will be taking a lot of extra questions. Okay, so
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
worry. POQ is a line. This is such a like in this exercise. This question is you must try this question how to do. Otherwise, rest of the question was quite vertically opposite angle linear theorem. This question you should like think about it how to do it. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. This is line is P and the lines equals to 1 by minus is the line. The POQ is a line which is given. Line means a straight line. This is what we have to do.
Ma'am, let me.
AOR is perpendicular. So this is 90 degrees we already know. Yes, S is another ray. S is another ray. Lying between rays of P and OR. This is what we have to do. ROS is equals to something.
Ma'am, POR is 90 degrees and QOR.
Yes, and the POR will also be 90 degrees. Yes, Sarah,
Angle Q.
Farhan, what to do over here? Rest of
Ma'am,
the student, why you are sitting so silently? Sarah, Safia, Umaisha,
ma'am,
Farhan. Yes, Tejas.
ma'am, angle QOS is equal to QOR plus ROS.
Yes. ROS plus perfect.
Ma'am, angle QOS plus POR, angle POR is equal to QOR plus POS plus 2 ROS.
Here can we write here QOR and POR both are same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If we will write POR, which is both are 90 degree.
Ma'am,
Can we write it POR as a combination of ROS
we can.
Let's check are we done with the proof or not. Let's check. Just a second. QoS we are doing. ROS we are having. Plus ROS. Plus. Yes, we are done. Can you see we are done? Can you see everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do it properly. Yes, this is great. Okay. Yes, he said that can we write QoS, this angle QoS as a combination of ROS plus QO. That's what we have written over. So far, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Safia, are you getting? Sarah, Aisha, Farhan, are you getting
Ma'am.
it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
QoS we will keep as it is. ROS we will keep as it is. And this QOR, we will at the base of QOR, we are going to write ROP. Okay? Because this like both are 90 degree. Here you have to write it. This is just I'm showing you, but you have to write it in detail that POR plus QOR added together is 180 degree linear curve. You have to write it. Okay. So here you are supposed to write it that both are 90 degree. That's why you are right replacing. After that, we will be writing QoS is equals to ROS. Now ROP we are going to break. ROP means ROS plus SOP. ROP means ROS plus POS or SOP, whatever you say. So POS. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Any confusion? Yes? Anyone? Asha, Safia, Sarah,
No, ma'am.
Farhan. QoS is equals to ROS plus ROS. If we write 2 times ROS plus POS. Now this 2 times ROS will remain as it is. And this will be QoS minus POS. Okay. This is what we need to do. That angle ROS we will keep as it is over here. And here 1 by 2 QoS minus POS. We are done with the proof. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone getting it? Are you getting it?
I'm getting it.
Yes, rest of the student. I'm asking from everyone. Yes, Sarah, Safia, Farhan, Maisha, Clear. Any confusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Over. That's the last question. It is given that,
Ma'am, we have also sixth question.
yeah, this one, right? This is
Yes, ma'am, sixth one.
x, y, z is 64 degree. X, y is reduced. Here figure is not given, so what we will draw the figure.
Yeah.
Point P, draw figure from the river. Information. By Q, bisect.
Ma'am, can I draw the figure?
On the screen, pages?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, it will be great. Okay, let me write complete the question. Please draw it. Then we will match the statement with the figure. Please draw it,
Okay,
Tejas.
ma'am.
Draw it.
Ma'am,
Are you trying to annotate?
yes, ma'am.
But I cannot see. Okay, do it. Take your time.
Okay. Ma'am, and this is 64.
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, I have drawn this.
Why so much of overwriting pages?
Ma'am, it became. I don't know why.
Okay, so for a few minutes we all will know. Can you try it one more time?
Okay, ma'am, no
Just
problem.
wipe it and do it again.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, one second. This is Y. Ma'am, done.
Okay, so he has drawn the figure. Let's match it. Okay. Here the question says it is given that XYZ angle XYZ is 64 degree. Angle XYZ. Yeah, we can see. Okay, in his figure XYZ is 64 degree. XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to, okay, this is P.
Yes, ma'am. This is
Draw a
Y, ma'am.
figure
This one.
from,
This one is Y.
I can see. If a ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, yeah, find XYQ. Yeah, he has drawn it properly. Okay, however, I am drawing it over here, the same figure, so that it will be clear to everyone. See, we are having it is given that XYZ is 64 degree. So there is an angle XYZ. Okay, so anyway you can draw an angle XYZ and you can name it 64 degree. Okay, so X, let me use different color. X, Y, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay, this much is 64 degree. This is how he has made the angle. You can make it any way. Okay, any way. Now xy is produced to point P. That means xy is extended. Xy is extended till point P. So he has done like this, which is perfect. Okay, draw a figure. If ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, check it, angle ZYP, angle ZYP. Ray YQ is bisecting this angle. Ray YQ is bisecting this angle. That means this is X and that is also X.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find angle XYQ. Check it, XYQ. The 64 plus X we need to find. Can you see it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
64 plus X we need to find, and the reflex of QYP. It's very simple. X plus 64 is 180 degree linear pair. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And from there we will be getting the value of X. Once we will get the value of X, is it like, can we find angle XYQ and QYP, the reflex of QYP? Can we? Yes or no? First tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can.
Rumaisha, yes or no? Rumaisha, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Will you be able to do from here? We have to find angle XYQ and QYP. Tell me quickly how to do it from here. Rumaisha. Safia, how to do it from here? Yes, Safia, are you there? Yes, are you there? Okay, yeah, you are there. Yes, Safia, what to do over here? Please tell me. Farhan, Farhan, are you there? Sarah, okay, one more time I am explaining. Listen to me carefully. You have to do it. Okay, I am not going to do.
Okay.
Am I taking class of only Tejas over here? From the last 1 hour, he is only responding. In every class, whenever I am starting, you have to turn your camera on. Why I am not saying from last two class? Because like from last two class, I was only again and again I was not repeating because I was not that well. I thought you will do it by yourself, but no. Okay. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. This is the figure we have drawn. This figure we have drawn. This figure we have drawn. See carefully. Okay, this is X. This is X. This is Y. This is Z. This is Q. This is 64. This and this X we have assumed. We have to find X, Y, Q. See it carefully. X, Y, Q we have to find over here. Okay, to find X, Y, Q, this complete angle, at first we will be finding the value of X over here. We can say that that X plus 64 degree is 180 degree. All are making linear pair with each other. Okay, and from here you will be getting the value of X. Once you will get the value of X, easily you will be able to find X, Y, Q, and Q, Y, reflex of Q, Y, P you have to find. So